Now we have completed all our properties, and while just making you to better understand the properties, from time to time we have solved some questions related to that properties also. Now the properties are over, so what we are going to do, we are going to solve some important questions. I have mentioned on the top of this question that questions from the previous year's board exams, or you can say questions, important questions from the examination point of view. Now the question is, prove that. So now if it is proved that, then it will be naturally, it will be something is equal to that left hand side and right hand side, both will be given to you. And if it is just written to convert the question the simplest form, then only this part can be given to you. So basically this question, this becomes two questions. Now to this part I can better, instead of proving, I can say just convert this in the simplest form, and in the simplest form we want this thing. Okay, so let's start it. Now let x is equal to tan theta. Here we are putting, let x is equal to, okay, it should be tan square theta. Let x is equal to tan square theta. Okay, now in our right hand side, I am moving with the right hand side, we are having half cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Now I am using this part, x is equal to tan square theta, then this becomes half cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now who is going to tell me the which formula we are going to apply here? Okay, whether it is for sin theta or for, means we should convert this in sin theta or cos theta. Cos theta, good, very nice. So we are going to convert this in cos theta, and what the formula was, always mention the formulas whatever you are using. Okay, let's write it. Now cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so this is the formula which we are using. Cos theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So what the result becomes, we are getting half cos inverse cos 2 theta. Okay, so this part becomes 2 theta. Now what this becomes, half times 2 theta, and this further becomes theta. Okay, now what we did here, we took x is equal to tan square theta. Now when x is tan square theta, again I am mentioning here, x is equal to tan square theta, square root of x is equal to tan theta, and by the definition of inverse we are getting theta is equal to tan inverse under root x. Okay, so our question becomes what? Question becomes tan inverse root x. Okay, so we have proved, and this is equal to what? This is equal to left hand side. Hence, you can write it, hence tan inverse under root x is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. This is proved. Hence proved.